So in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace both the deck belt and transmission belt. You want to start off by taking note of the engine tension bracket. Then you can go and start taking off both the red cover and the cover underneath as shown. You'll need a 10mm socket or spanner for this. Once done, look into where the cover was underneath the machine and take off the two silver nuts that are attached to the engine and act as sliders on the tension bar. Once you've removed the nuts, proceed to remove the nut that determines the tension of the belt. You should see the engine creeping forward. When doing this, slacking off the belts. Once you've taken those three nuts off, take off the tension plate and move the engine forward like I have in the video. It's a bit congested in there, but proceed to take off the belts you need from the engine pulley first, then remove the belt from the main pulley at the front of the machine, following the steps shown in the video. Once the belts are off both pulleys, slide the engine back as you'll find it difficult to remove the belts, as the engine pulley and gearbox pulley can get too close to each other. Once the blade belt's off, you can then take off the transmission belt too. Now it's time to fit the two belts. I fitted them from the back first. Make sure the engine is pulled back and slide the blade belt under the engine pulley and over the gearbox pulley. Take notes of the route of the blade belt shown in the video. Do the same for the transmission belt, making sure both belts are in between the two bolts coming down from the engine. Once both belts are on loose, fit the belt tension plate back on and screw the nut on loose, making sure you have the spring washers too. Once done, tension the nut on the back of the tension plate back to its original tension, and then you can tighten the two nuts on the sliding plate on the engine once you're happy with the tension. Then finally, you can finish off by refitting both the covers. Hope this helped. Thanks for watching.